It is an agenda. Kosiano now, Kabibia. No argument. That's what they are doing.
Janifer, no.
What do you mean by something?
What do you mean by a agenda? We are one agenda. We are one be by agenda.
I was saying, in fact, this conversation, na emfa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Mind you, na emfa Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. It was about conversation now. You John Dramani Mahama. Ne MMDCs what rise your salary from certain level at the alcohol to 35 Ghana cedis. Hey, 35,000 Ghana cedis, sorry. Anna a fear of United Party where you Alan could maintain the campaign member and I say the communication member. I want to obey you to know what drag Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia in and the Janifer Queen's Derby. Penny and Tinefia Sibia and for. Na mentinefie ana mentinefie ha ma won fa Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia enim enyefo e wa abra nkomo aye di no ne din enim. He is not part of our conversation today. Enti adenti na wo say wo drag Dr. Muhammad Bawumia din edebam enti ha and started conversation ha na den to kwa ne baye no enti getu bi na wo ha ye no afi na me ba be bie mo ahwe video na wo betensem e ho na ado ebusua ye kasa nsu aburo bi akasa nsu aburo bi ampetini panoso na Janifer Queen ama yehunu say yes one tina ho mo bi nkasa ntia Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia because conversation no emfa no ho don't drag him to your conversation when na den sam ne ba ebusua I South Africa media jebre na share video no
your political party constituency be at 20,000. Do you know how many constituencies do we have? Now we have 276 constituencies, my boy. Near 276 constituencies in here. It's 20,000 times 276 constituencies times 4 years. I know the Afia Munka. Dr. Bawumia to the baby, ye can't some. Ya comma, a friend say, ye ma MMDCs 35,000. Bawumia to the baby, near Quacochina Baby Urum. Dog baby, will be all Casaman
Afia man can ask them.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia baby, I will be no permit your memo watching. Now do draw a few ya Santini, me Santini, do draw. Omani Sandi or Son Takrache. Uti, do draw. Omani Sandi or Son Takrache.
If you have a new party, no more.
What say?
Or new to count the Anwaka.
Of course, some
party policy, I'm person can work.
It's a word, a dear Dr. Bawumia by a bem, a then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bem. Now created the day. Now they are cutting near my story headline. He argue with Janifer Queen story headline, me boy. Near the trend. Dr. Bawumia, how does Dr. Bawumia come into after forcing? I say what MMDCs are buying this over 235,000. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia free. That Dr. Bawumia free. And this in a buy. Number 2 friend this in a buyer. And this party no. Almost so where to for. Omo South Africans. And this for Omo Zimbabwe for. Omo Gabon for. Omo Ghana for. Yewra President Kofo a man appointment your friend is him. Yewra Fred Blake a homeboy. And at the end no so see Papa Sindum. Ono ni di number one. So no so can wo free party be na buy.
Omo na CPP.
Ye Kofo mu free mali ne don buy. E be ye adwuma. Dr. Bawumia na o free this buy. Minimum na e kan. Me de me hu da. Me tu o me ne yemienu ba komo ha. Me ti wias me ne yemienu se na me de ahye me lensi. Akomo mama so. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me on can't me say. I say a budget in here can. We are not on the budget yet. I won't sit here for anybody to mention Dr. Bawumia's name when Nidin can asama here can. And of course, men can't be asking so can. Oh, your former president I know. Uti, or your former president I know. Former vice president. But what she should know, say, you're no ni space. I want your show, no ni mass, ni moon. And one year and what tipsy from say King. So I bet to the party. So whatever they feel, say you're wrong. 2 minutes be at trust near your opportunity. They have to mention Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia near the young story headline near trending. Or political party no. In their minds, if they think something went wrong, or can who copy say Afia ever call elections or tell them I call for me movement.
Okay.
And political party and I'm someone by NPP, I'm someone in UP. I don't even want to give credence to Sasam. I want to UP. Me transfer crime money din cancel.
UP plus.
Because you know why? I want your number. Ebe mo mo crop for akwa be wa bro. So say dey am tena aka. Me ma me wo hwe fam. Say dey akwade dey na baby dinner. Tama me ma me dey wu. I'm telling you.
Ono wendi ya ke.
Edia wuko. Eti Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Uti Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say me yedua. Me yedua, me meti atena dua tam.
Me pacho.
This is what I don't even want. Uti.
David.
My entire budget is your budget.
Janifer so I can't
I'm in London. I'm in Chia. This is what I don't want.
Obama.
No.
Miss Peter Janifer.
No.
I'm on it too much.
Enye too much.
Preliminary no.
Oh, please, let me make my statement. I don't want this.
No, Janifer, yes,
What is it?
Me pacho.
You gave your submission.
Me pacho all kasa no. What we do here,
when you are not here, we have a fine discussion.
That is all.
Anytime you're on a show with me, it is an agenda. Kosiano now, Kabibia. No argument. That's what they are doing.
Jennifer, no. Me pacho. No.
What do you mean by something?
What do you mean by agenda? What do you mean?
And now what you
my microphone off. Anti sadia mo be ne say baako kasa na mama baako kasa wi. Mesre.
What do you mean by agenda? Kosiano. We are why na agenda. We are why be by agenda.
Debbie.
Say
this is what I don't like. Now your story headline now. You say our trending power. I don't like it.
Trend.
Oh, make us no metia ma fa me phone me me aso. Me me phone 40. Make us no me me phone.
Me dey buy 5. You be say no for me dey buy 1,000.
Kasa na bia obi tie wan tesa wo na wo. Eti me body a odi enya odi no no.
O say. Oh no, me problem. But certain words it's nice.
And this is exactly what she does anytime on the show.
I don't on the show. Who that flare up? Who now flare up?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Afia me pacho. Nya botre mabe. Na Janifer me pacho. Mesrel. Yemfa yenko
it's true.
Sadiq,
me pacho ye ko budget ne.
Friend say, you have budget.
Okay.
But what I mean, case also remember me kita Debbie. What do you mean by so? Do you think I do this? Yeah, sure. You be that. This is the first time. That's what you repeat everywhere.
I repeat everywhere. Well, so what your fellow woman? Agenda. Kosiano. Who are you?
No.
Jennifer, it's said in America, a bino is to say, or the 35,000 in my MDCs and I show modding.
Okay.
A show moon cramo with me a day. I almost Juma call him. We don't have a problem with that.
Okay.
And my mistake here, the new patriotic party, or not what means Sabunkumswa. The new patriotic party now, your opposition, your responsible opposition party. I need him with due respect. In most of our press conferences, we've made mention, say, we hold nothing against this government.
Okay.
We wish them well. When you say we show them well.
Yeah.
Obie ni wa to opposition, of course. Umpire nyina say aban beko na also political party aba.
Yeah.
But you can't be evil. So better baby say you wish the government bad because your mind Ghana no mo almost.
Okay.
E ho na Ghana for decide say e ho no mpese 2 million de kokodi. So the only thing left for us to do and say yes you be ye adwuma yi ni aye de ni aba.
No.
Eti no na ho no
okay.
Na
budget.
Now I'm in Chianco.
Debbie said no way you time. Initial comment and Ankasa what we about 10 minutes but before say interruptions about no 800,000 jobs. I'm say Kasa no ya dozen for aban be obeba be create jobs. We see a create 1.7 but nipa da sutifie. Budget no especially on job creation.
Yeah.
Aloje.
My sisters, like I said in my earlier submission, and then Tuesday program I had there. I have because you were two beautiful, gallant women. Now, you know, a lot of young women are looking up to you to also become like you because it's not easy to have women in the studio. There is a very difficult terrain. In Tibibri, most women are not able to go. And the parliament 276, a man and every government is pushing, say, when you have more women into Mama government here, almost every position be a man, deputy a woman, and I say woman be a main and deputy. Of course, some of the banks cry, CBDC, all the three leadership in Ayemba. And a lot of people are looking up to you to say, no most of near most often no and Kabe Meme Jumano will also be there. And then this is the fear a field marshal, field operation field marshal, mostly no a mema. And she may say, let's encourage each other now. Man, so and to me, and may I have to give so I admire when I see people doing.
I don't think say
it's about the budget. Minya Obama, a Juma Sem. Yen Ghana youth no majority of them they need work to do. Secondary school, for instance, we are churning out over 400,000 every year.
Yeah,
for the records. Universities across the country, over 100,000 every year. Meaning, say each and every time, the youth needs job. And Ejuma de Ebeka one sense because every day and now me say Trump see this World Cup in for 1 month, it will create 200,000 jobs for Americans. Wow. So job issue in there, it's something that started from the day of Adam and Eve. And it will continue to be a discussion. And we measure you by create job both in the public and the private sectors.
Okay.
Wow. And we share near Ora Mahama through the Minister of Finance, says he created 800,000 jobs. Obama, it shouldn't be surprising because look at the budget. Capital expenditure has sharply moved to 57.7 billion, of which 30 billion is for the big push. Big push in Kumasi Accra Expressway and major routes from Winneba to Apam to Mankesim to Cape Coast and all that. These are all near creative job for every level of human being out in Ghana. And young Crawford University are more degrees. Any carpenter, mason, and until Osha Yeba, your ministry of what? Jobs, employment,
labor.
Meaning, there's a difference between employment and job.
Yeah,
you know that because employment in India, it's a fixed term. To say what is here unless you want to resign.
Employment.
But jobs are near my 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, and so on. And until now, miss how many students to reflect on the government's agenda, jobs, labor, and employment. And we are saying, we'll be creating 800,000 jobs. And America say a big push alone is enough to ensure, 800,000 jobs in the bar. Yes, big push alone.
Construction.
And just started. Oko from the Kaswa to Cape Coast, we've done saw cutting. Oko and all the other water region, most of the portions here, big push aside that, you know, job is being created also in the fintech industry. Through the training your youth, through coders and also Jumara. We are admitting masters of training youth, they will be set up to also work. So many things. And you see, the central government, but to cry a two chair. A Juma Orama, Edia share year 261 MMDCs in Semana. It will be create more than 1 million jobs. Let me say a common fund, no. They have earmarked their thematic areas. You apply the money and you cannot dodge.
Okay.
Number one, first 25% of the amount now they mawono. ODC 24-hour market.
Me did say one kasa kura wuti no we say nkoma na wo mudi no was about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But agenda settings na Janifer Queen kan ye no. Ehwo na Afia ebusa say agenda say wo no wo ye hwanya me be set agenda etia wo. Ebusa ehwo na Janifer Queen ko ma short gun short say pay say me ye hwanya me ye wo nana. Me ye wo nana me ye wo busua pani. Wo kasa man kasa ebusa nsema kwaso. And some akoso wo ho na ebi na me nso makuru chi amede bro wada woroma oba no nso akira wadwene wate na bibia e kama de amaye mesi social media no so no me ehwo na medi magoro ehwo na medidie ehwo na meda ehwo na menom. We all want the betterment of Ghana into the besibia no as we are part of Ghana ye na e ka o man no ho no ye wom ema na ye. So we're going to bring it to you wherever you are. Just sit quietly. The besibia no me ma shawo bossa de bebro. Now this conversation, let me share empany for mo kwatra TV so ahụ aye etoda mo ma mo kasa ho mre nyam na and send you hire and pay you and Alan Koretrimanten if NPP mu or NPP mu free and whatever mess NPP creating Alan Kodetrimante was part Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was part and adding and into koi a dear and AC episode of one also watch the subscribe to YouTube channel media I'm just a messenger kuhua near the assumption from bro. Meaning, I don't man come about and I could from a Santi with you, whatever.